My name is Tyler DeLuca, and I am the co-owner and owner-operator of TGK Automotive of St. Louis Park. I'm just so grateful to have a shop here in the community, and St. Louis Park has really just welcomed us with open arms. We really just look to be the shop that people really trust to bring their vehicles to. We really value that honesty and integrity, and really one of the more important parts is when going over the concerns of a vehicle that people don't feel sold to. We want to educate you about what's wrong with your vehicle, give you the option to do what you will with that information. My goal with each and every client that comes into this store is really to give them an experience where they leave knowing exactly what's wrong with their vehicle, exactly what was done with their vehicle, and felt that they were able to make the decision to fix or not fix their car with no pressure put on them. One thing that sets TGK St. Louis Park apart from the other shops in the area is our digital inspections that come free with every single oil change and really any service. We will take pictures and videos of any concerns that we have with the vehicle, and one of our expert service advisors or myself will go over that with you in detail. And any repairs that we do end up doing, you get a lifetime warranty on not only parts but labor as well. To the community of St. Louis Park and the surrounding areas, here at TGK, we strive to earn your business by earning your trust. If you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to talk, please feel free to give us a call or stop in.